Elevate your conversations. Master the use of shall I in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a rather special topic: using shall I to make offers in English. This phrase can make your conversations more polite, more engaging, and it's particularly useful in common situations we're going to discuss today. The phrase, shall I, is a way of making offers or suggestions. It's like asking, would it be helpful if I? Or, do you want me to? It's typically used in a more formal context and can help make your English sound more polished. Now, let's discuss some common situations where shall I can be very handy. Scenario 1. Giving a hand. When you see someone struggling with something, you can offer your help by saying, shall I give you a hand? This is a polite way of saying, do you need help? Scenario 2. Offering to take action. When there's something that needs to be done, you can take the initiative by saying, shall I call a taxi? Or, shall I make a reservation? It shows that you're willing to take action and help. Scenario 3. Making suggestions. When you're making a suggestion about what to do, you can say, shall I turn on the TV? Or, shall I start cooking dinner? This is a gentle way of suggesting a course of action. The more you use shall I in context, the more comfortable you'll get with it. Here's a fun exercise. Try thinking of a situation where you would normally say, do you want me to? And see if you can replace it with shall I. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you sound to others. And that's a wrap. I hope this lesson on using shall I has been helpful. Remember, adding small details like these to your English can really elevate your language skills. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!